Good morning, it's Deb Watson, and today we're painting Tuscany, Italy. I combined these 3 photos from Pixabay.com. I did a small, quick study to try out my composition, and we're ready to go. Start with the sky, which you want darker at the top and lighter at the bottom. I wet my sky first to help give me a smooth wash. Then I put on cerulean blue. If your sky still has brush strokes, you can use a damp watercolor fan brush to help smooth them out. The distant mountains can be purple or brownish or green. I'm making mine purplish. The distant trees are a medium value green. You can use sap or hookers or mix your own. My green is a bit bright, so I'm adding a little brown to tone it down. For the field, I'm going to try to make it gold in this painting and see if I like it. This is quinacridone gold with a little yellow. I do throw in some green, but I'm going to have to wait for the poppies before I can tell if I like the gold or not. The house is a beige color, so I mix brown with my gold and put a darker brown under the eaves for a shadow. For the roof, I mix yellow and red for an orange. For these distinctive Mediterranean cypress trees, they're the very thin, dark ones, I'm mixing dark green with magenta to make it even darker. The tree closest to us is the darkest. The one to the left is a little less dark, and the far away trees are the same color but with a lot more water, so they look far away. Now that the roof is dry, I'm adding some darker orange lines for the shingles. Here it is so far. I put yellow flowers in the right corner, and then I start on the poppies. When you drop on water or paint in a random way to leave a lot of spaces, it's called a hit or miss wash. You can start with water or paint. I'm doing this to give me an initial wash of color. This is just to set the stage for my poppies. If you like these videos, please hit the thumbs up button. I always appreciate it, and I can use the encouragement. The area behind the yellow flowers needs to be darker, so I re-wet that area and I put in some gold mixed with brown. I like the green field in my study better than this golden brown, but post a comment and let me know which color you like better. Time to dry this. Next, I'm going to paint some individual poppies in the flower area. Once again, I like the study better, which I did wet on wet. Here's what the poppy field in Italy actually looked like. To connect all three planes in this composition, that would be the sky, the field, and the foreground, I added some tall grasses. Your viewer's eye will follow the grass from the sky down to the flowers. For a finishing touch, I'm lifting out some clouds by re-wetting the area with clean water and dabbing it up with a paper towel. When that's dry, I'll add opaque white at the top and then shadow color at the bottom. Just above the horizon line, I put some yellow on to indicate a sunrise. Here's the white for the clouds. To add a tiny door and windows with shutters, I'm using an ink pen. Then I open the door with opaque white. For the shadows on the bottom of the clouds, I mixed my blue with a little orange to make a gray. Here's the painting finished. I'm not as happy with these colors as I was in the study. That's often the way it goes. Here's the painting with the green field. I'd probably do this painting again and work on improving the colors. If you want to give it a try, visit watsonwatercolor.com for the free tutorial. Use your favorite colors and see how your painting turns out. As always, happy painting!